guys, Minecraft video here, and today I will be showing you everything, or at least the important stuff, included in the newest version of Minecraft 1.3.1. It's a really big update to Minecraft. You can see the list on the left there. Check it out on your own if you want to. I'm not covering everything probably, but I'm covering the important stuff. The additions, the important changes. So, yeah, 1.3, if you haven't checked it out, check it out on your own. First thing I'll do is create a new world, so you can see, just title it that. Game modes are the same. You got creative, survival, world types, cheats, bonus chest, all new. And I'm going to put in a seed I discovered, kind of humorous title, but it's actually a very, very interesting seed. So yeah, you noticed I enabled bonus chest, and you'll see what that is right here in a second. It's right next to me. It's a chest with 4 torches that appears right near spawn, and it contains some starting equipment. You can see mine's got food, some wood, some axes. It's basically just something that helps you get started a little bit quicker. Sometimes it includes pickaxes, like wooden ones, or maybe a stone one. Something just helps the game along so you don't spend so much time on your first day gathering wood. And there is a village around here somewhere that I want to show you guys, if I can find it. It was right here. Oh, there it is. Okay, I found it. Yeah, I've actually never seen a village like this before. I'm pretty certain that these villages are something in the new update. They are made of sandstone. Yeah, the buildings are made entirely of sandstone rather than wood and cobble. So I just thought that was interesting. You find them in the desert, and obviously they've got villagers in them. So one of my favorite things about this update is the new creative menu, which you see here. Yeah, it's got tabs which let you find things easier because they're categorized. So I'm scrolling through the building blocks category right now. It's got, basically anything you need to build a building, you can find it in the building blocks section. Decoration blocks has got plants, but also chests, crafting tables, furnaces, decorations such as paintings and vines. Transportation, sort of an empty category right now. It's got minecart, saddle, and minecart rails, but I'm sure they'll add something. Book and quill, that's a new addition. In the miscellaneous, you've got things that can't really be categorized very easily, spawn eggs, stuff like that. Food, tools, combat, all the potions are available to you now in creative mode. Materials are just sort of random things like dyes and ores that you mine. And you see in my inventory, I now have I've got emeralds. Cocoa beans can actually be planted now. It's very interesting. And you can obtain them from jungle trees by breaking the leaves on jungle trees. Also, you've got a tab for search, and in creative mode, I showed you have a tab for your survival inventory. Tripwires are also added, so I'll show you all of that here in a moment. So yeah, you can trade with villagers. As you see, you right-click on them, and they have emeralds and then something for it. So that's basically saying, in exchange for 3 emeralds, you get 1 bookcase, which is sort of a rip-off, but whatever. 1 emerald will get you 8 cookies, so there I took 16 cookies for 2 emeralds. And sometimes they have 2 trading opportunities. That's what the little arrows mean. But usually only 1. And it's all random. You just have to go around the village and find out which villagers trade what. It's sort of annoying, but it's also really, really cool to be able to interact with the villagers now. Gives you a reason not to kill them. 3 emeralds for 1 flint and steel. And they're 18 wheat for 1 emerald, so you can actually buy emeralds off of them. Most of them take emeralds in exchange for something, but some of them give emeralds in exchange for items. But you do mine emeralds. There's something you mine. I don't know exactly how rare they are. I think they're about as rare as gold. But you mine them, and that's what they look like. Ender chests, also a new item added. They're basically teleportation. See, I'll put one down and I'll put another down, put something in it, and then when I open the other one, it's right there, but it's still there in the other one. But when I take it out of one, it disappears in the other. So I can place one chest in the village and one in the mines, and I can teleport things between my my house and my mines. And here I've got a book, book and quill. Actually, I'm not sure how you craft that, but you can actually write your own stories and give them to people or read them later. And you can see it's glowing now and it's titled, and I can open it and read it, but it's read only after you close it. Alright, tripwire hooks. Tripwires, you place 2 tripwire hooks on walls, and then you place a string between them, and they give a redstone signal off whenever a mob, I should say, or you, walks over the tripwire. So it's like that, and you can use that for TNT traps, you can use it for arrow traps, and it's got a safeguard, so if someone tries to break the string, it sends a redstone signal anyway. So yeah, there's that. Other things that it adds, it adds the ability to change your single-player worlds into LAN, which local area network lets anyone on your wireless network play the world if they have the IP. Well, actually, it will automatically search for LAN worlds on the network for them, so you can. It's just an easy way of sharing your single-player world without having to set up a server. So yeah, now you can see I'm just looking through all of the different tabs. Want to make sure that I covered all of the important stuff. There's also, they installed a snooper, which they call it a snooper. It gathers data about your Minecraft use. I don't know what they're gonna use it for, but I don't really care. As long as it doesn't slow down my Minecraft, because it's slow enough as it is. But on that note, they did increase the frame rate, or I should say decrease the lagginess of Minecraft using several little tricks. One being, when you have a lot of item drops in one area, they will sometimes clump together. So if you've got 2 item drops, they'll clump together into one, and that helps make the game less intensive, less resource intensive. So there you can see I've got emerald ore, emerald block, got my 2 ender chests, just showing everything again. You can transport books from ender chest to ender chest. I can do tripwires, and that's basically it. That's all I can think of as far as the new update. I've noticed several bugs. It's a little bit buggy, so we'll have to expect more future updates. But for the most part, this is a really great update. Thanks for watching. Bye.